Right, so I'm back with some purple thread now, and we're going to do the chain stitch. I love the chain stitch because you can not only do it in a line, but you can turn it into flowers by doing long chain stitches for petals, which can be really good fun. So first of all though, let's learn how to chain. So I've got myself a length of thread, and again I've split it so that I've only got 3. I've drawn myself the blue line to follow so I can do it nice and straight. I'm going to bring the needle up at the end and leave enough of a tail so that I can stitch it off at the end. And then using the needle here, you're going to go back in, not exactly the same place but quite near to where you came out, and then you're going to come up along in front of the needle, bring the thread around and then pull the needle through, and what you get is this lovely little chain stitch. So I'm going to go again, and I'm going to put it down near to where the needle came up, bring it back up a distance from the first chain, and then the thread was wrapped round, and then I can go again. I'm just going to put the hoop on a stand so that you can see me do it without keep moving about. Okay, so here I am with it held on my frame, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing a little bit more clearly. I'm going to take the needle back down through the chain and then bring it, make sure that thread's out the way, bring it back up just ahead of the chain and wrap the string, the thread around the needle. So I'll do that again so that you can see. It goes in, bring it up, wrap the thread around it, bring the needle out. And try and do the same distance from the chain each time, and then that will give you a nice consistent chain. So up, bring the thread round, pull it through, like so. And this gives you your chain stitch. So the string can get a little bit twisted, so just let it hang and untwist for a minute before you carry on. So just keep going as long as you can until you run out of your embroidery thread, because at the end of the day this is just a sample. And when you get to the end, as far as I can reach, I'm going to, instead of going back down through the chain, this time we go back down outside of the chain, and that will just hold the final chain in place. And then we can go to the back and tie off like we have been doing with each of the samples.